Converge bounces back from their loss with a victory over Phoenix. Welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Franco Atienza, and our best player of the game, Justin Baltazar. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach, we had a slower start today, but you were able to offset that by holding on to your lead in the succeeding quarters. What was the X factor that greatly contributed to the team's success today?
Yeah, first of all, we'd like to offer this game to the Lord, and then credit also to the other team. Medyo maganda din yung nilaro nila. They threw different defense against us, and yung grit nila mataas din eh. Yung in terms of that, medyo to start, unlike the last game, ngayon medyo slow start kami. Medyo talagang nangapa kami dun sa umpisa sa depensa nila. And then, buti na lang na kahit papano nag-balance out kami towards the rest of the game. I feel the players were just, we were caught off guard. Parang medyo jittery, if you could say that. But at the end of the day, it's competition eh. Gusto mo yung na-challenge ka, gusto mo yung for you to improve then. And I'm just glad that our team, our players was able to adjust, nag-settle down kahit papano. And yun, yung huli, medyo pangit din yung huli. We have to be able, like the Meralco game, we have to be able to learn how to finish. If there's more time, baka nagka-problema kami. So that's one thing that we will talk about after this game. How to sustain yung momentum namin hanggang dulo. How to finish stronger. And I'm just glad kasi with the two Justins here, we were able to assert our might in terms of yung presence sa loob at saka yung rebounding. And of course, yung all the other guys, I think we had 4 guys in double digits, almost 5, yung isa 9 points. Yeah, it's a total team effort. And masyado maaga pa. But we have to set our bearings right. Especially yung next game namin, medyo yung schedule sunod-sunod eh. We play again on Wednesday against a really tough team, Magnolia. But we're up to it. I think we're up to it.
Thank you, Coach Franco. Naubalti na mention na nga ni Coach Franco kanina. Bagong look ang Converge ngayon dahil dati nag-iisa lang si Justin Arana at ngayon sabay nyo nang tinatapos ang laro. Nabanggit din ni Justin Arana kanina na komportable siya dahil nandiyan ka na, katulong niya ngayon. How does Justin Arana just complement your game or help bring out your best game?
Yun lang kasi si Justin talagang hirap na hirap nung wala ako eh. So, yun nga nag-uusap kami na kailangan ko siyang tulungan, and then yung team kasi nga ayun, galing kami sa talo. So, hindi kami pwedeng mag-relax. Katulad nga sinabi ni coach na sa fourth quarter talaga kami na nagkakaproblema. So, kailangan namin pagtrabahuin yan.